So what if you want more than one if condition? So you can just simply, instead of writing the else, you can write else if. And now suppose I want to test that if the R key was pressed, then the background color should change to red. So I can write else if remove that, else if graphics window dot last key equals to inverted commas or double quotation marks, and I want the R key, so R has to be capital, double quotation marks, then, and in the next line I will write the action that has to take place if the R key is pressed, which is basically graphics window dot background color equals to red. And I can add more than one if conditions in this manner. I can add another one, for example, else if graphics window dot last key equals to Y. So if I press the Y key, I want it to change. I want the background color to change to yellow. So else if graphics window dot last key equals Y, then graphics window dot background color equals to yellow. And that should be it. Now I can use an else that if any other key apart from B, R and Y were pressed, I can use an action. I can change it to a random color, or I can just leave the else out of my program if I don't want any other action to take place. So let's run this. So B key turns the background color to blue, R key will turn it to red, Y key will turn it to yellow, and if I press the space bar, I'm pressing the space bar but nothing's happening because I did not use the else command, the else condition, and so nothing's going to happen unless I press the R key or the Y key or the B key. So this is just a short tutorial on how to use multiple ifs. You have to use else if, or you can even use if and then end that if and start another if. But it's better to use else if in the same if and end if block.